Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world. You're on YouTube Tech channel. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you will receive our upcoming videos. Today we're gonna talk about upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Let's have a look. A series of leaks claimed in the past few weeks that Samsung would launch not one but two Galaxy Note 10 devices. Something the company has not really done with the Note line except for the year when it used the Note series to launch an Edge screen model. Since then we heard that Samsung would have 4 Note 10 in store this summer, including 2 LED and 2 5G devices. A new report seems to confirm that Samsung will launch 2 distinct Galaxy Note 10 versions this year and that each of them will have a 5G version. The Galaxy Note 10 will have model number SMN970 and SMN975. Sam Mobile has learned these devices should features different sizes and features, the report notes, without revealing any actual details about the phones. The previous report from Korea, which first mentioned the existence of 4 Note 10 handsets, claimed the 4G models would have 6.28-inch and 6.75-inch displays, as well as triple and quad camera setup respectively. Sam Mobile also listed 2 additional Galaxy Note 10 models, including the SMN971 and SMN976 that are probably the 5G variants of the 2 Galaxy Note 10 models. Samsung is supposedly looking to increase Galaxy Note 10 sales this year in the same way it did with the Galaxy S10. The Korean giant wants to offer differently priced versions of the same basic Note 10 device that could convert more sales than a single model. The Galaxy S10 has 4 distinct models, from the cheapest Galaxy S10e to the most expensive Galaxy S10 5G. All of them have the same hardware, but the more money you are willing to pay, the better features you get, including larger displays, bigger batteries and more camera lenses. The Note 10 series will launch at some points in August, so there's plenty of time to find out everything about it. After all, no Galaxy S or Note phone in recent history had any major secrets left by the time Samsung unveiled them. That other rumors of multiple Galaxy Note 10 models throws an interesting extra factor into play. According to Korean reports, the 2 LED models will pack 6.2-inch and 6.75-inch displays. Presumably the design will stay much the same across the range. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 10. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel My Technological World, and stay blessed. Peace out. Take care. Bye bye.